This is my red toolbox junior.
Did you put this together, Gabriel?
Yes. I put it together. Here's how I put it together. I use glue, nails, and hammer. And here's my stickers, which you do not have to do exactly how I did, but you can if you want to. And here's how you put the candy in. You slide this out and then you put the whatever candy you have in there. It slides down. Things like this. So you slide it down, goes in there, out, over there, and out there. And you can have the piece of candy, which I've been working on this for about 2 days. And goodbye.